Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a book mockup. Now for book mockups, really important, we're not going to be using Amazon KDP to be publishing or listing our book. We're going to be using the other platforms like Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers, right? I'm not sure about all these platforms. I know they all accept books from independent publishers like yourself, like myself. I know Publish Drive allows you to publish your book there, and it's going to publish your book on your behalf on multiple different other platforms like Amazon KDP and such, and they get a piece of your royalties. Just letting you know. But this isn't for Amazon KDP, right? So let's go back and go to book mockup, okay? Now it's very simple. You just click browse files for the image, choose the image that you got off of the book cover studio. In my last video I went over that. Then you just use some of the presets here. You got scene, you want a clean studio, I want a wooden desk. Camera angle, I like the default slight 3/4 view. Front view is kind of boring, so let's go with that. Paper type, keep it at black and white. Hardcover standing, no. I want to go with paperback standing. Page count, just always make sure everything's consistent. So in our last video, in the book cover section, I went with 60. I know it's a very small book, it's a tiny book, but I'm going with, again, 60. And if you want to add some more, like a different prompt here for your AI, you can. I'm going to click generate mockup. You can also click more than one mockup at a time, okay? I'm going to go with one already. I click generate mockup. It's going to create our new mockup, and we can see what that looks like. It should be good. Now it's going to optimize my image. It's completed, but it's optimizing, generating mockup any second now. Okay, here we go. We got our mockup, beautiful. Okay, just download this in the multiple image types, and we're all good. Okay, this is a great little mockup, very easy to use. Okay, again, just to reiterate this point, this is not for Amazon KDP. This is for the other platforms. If you're selling it as a printable, Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, this makes sense there. And I'm not sure about these other platforms, but you can publish there as well. Okay, they might require you to use your own mockup. And here you go. Beautiful, nice and easy. See you in the next video.